Hello everybody, it's Sam with SCF Garage Doors. Today we have the Chamberlain half horsepower that you can buy at Home Depot. This is the belt drive model. Ever had a lost or stolen remote that you need to clear out the memory so nobody can gain access? We're going to go over that today. All of your yellow learn buttons we're going to press and hold until the little LED light goes out, and that will clear all of your external remotes, keypads, cars that are programmed to the unit. Once it is done, remotes no longer work and we are all set. We are going to pair a Chamberlain keypad to a Chamberlain half horsepower belt drive from Home Depot that was installed for a client today. They make it super simple. Put the instructions right here on the inside. So first what we're going to do is find and press the learn button, which is this round yellow button here. Press and release, and within 30 seconds we're going to enter a 4-digit PIN. We're going to go 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit the enter button. Hear that click? We are programmed. Now to close it, all we have to do is hit the enter button. We can secure our door. Now once the door gets all the way down and the lights go out, we remember our PIN, 2, 3, 4, 5, enter, and our door opens up for us. We need to program the remotes, that way he has remote access. So, super easy. We find the yellow learn button, and on all your Chamberlains and LiftMaster models, you're gonna have a panel with this button configuration. So we want to find the yellow circle. We'll press it, stays on for 30 seconds, that little LED light. And then we're gonna press and release our remote and we'll hear a clicking sound. Once we hear that clicking sound, we can go ahead and press our remote and we have programmed our garage door opener.